Good morning and welcome to this session. We were designing the three-stage progressive brush tool, and here actually I have inserted the piercing punch, which is having a stepped diameter. So I want to change it to the original one because it doesn't actually meet my requirement because okay, making the step later on, it is a difficult thing. So I want to insert a standard punch like this, straight punch. So just I'm going to delete the all the operations which I have done here. So press Shift key and select the all these things. Then delete. Then here also I will delete up to press Shift key and select up to here. So from up to here, delete. Okay. So let me delete this. This also. Okay, now let me insert, go here, go to our catalog here. So cutting punch with conical head, this is the punch which I'm going to insert. Select. So here we have diameter 3, diameter 3. Minimum length is 71, so we will select this 71. Then select the price here, then add. E55003 into 71. Okay. So next, again we will go and select 4 mm. Again select from here, add, then select all, CAD transfer. So just wait till this operation completes. Then 3D export. So this name I will give 8. Then save. So let's say this is our piercing punch, or okay, let us, this we will convert into palette. Now let us upload here. Upload. Select files. So this is our file here. Then upload. So we can see that here also upload status will finish. Then close. Then we can this is the new punches. Then drag and drop inside our environment. So let us move this. Okay. Then okay, 2 times inserted anyway, no problem. So we can right click, break link. This also we will break the link. Anyway, it is required 2 times. It got inserted. Anyway, we will convert this one into the piercing punch, another one to palette. Okay. So this I am going to hide. So first we will add this as joined here. So this the top edge I have selected. Then so this is the piercing punch. So we will fix it here. Flip it. Then okay. Similarly, this one also. So this will capture position. Join. Again flip it. Then okay. Now I think we will make the profile for pilot here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to construct offset. So before that, okay, let us assemble this also. Join. Similarly, this also we will make the joint. Let us check inspect interference. Let me check for any interference for between the okay first die plate and these punches. Compute. Okay, so no interference. So that means the assembly is okay. Now let us maintain the height of uh, the the piercing punches. So first what we will do, we will activate this. We will activate first, then construct offset plane. So let us say 60. So let me isolate this. Then come here, create sketch. So quickly we will complete the length and all. Finish sketch. Extrude. So drag this. Okay. Then we will go for unisolate. Then we will isolate the next one. Activate. So activate here. Then again construct offset plane. So this also we will maintain the same height, 60. Then on this plane, create sketch. So draw another one more circle. Finish sketch. Extrude. Okay. Again this unisolate. Now we will activate the piercing punch. Pilot. Sorry, I have made a mistake here. Okay, anyway, this assembly while we inserting here, okay, the mistake is that when I have inserted, somehow the mouse got because of the problem of the mouse, this particular component also got inserted inside this. So this is now a sub-assembly of this. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to edit there itself. Instead, I'm going to modify this particular thing. Then here construct offset plane. Let's say I want to offset this 65 mm. So this is a pilot should be longer than the oh. Then so let us construct an axis also. So one more plane at an angle. So okay, then on this plane I'm going to create a sketch. So let us say some profile like this. So here we will make a fillet also. So let us maintain this dimension. So let us project this, press P. Okay. So this we will maintain something like 3 mm. So again press P. So this corner point also I want to project. Okay. So this I want to make a vertical. So now here we will maintain some angle, 15-degree angle we will maintain. So this and this. Okay, like this we will give 15-degree. Here we will give a fillet. Okay, let us say 1.5. I think 1 is enough, or 1.25. Then okay, finish sketch, revolve, axis. Okay. Okay, so this is the one pilot. So we have to make the another one. So let us say this So this unisolate, then this we will activate, then isolate, again construct offset plane, -65, then again we will construct a axis. Okay, then again create one more plane at an angle, select the axis, then OK, then select the plane, right click, create sketch, then let us project this. Press P, select this, then OK. So let us turn off the plane here, construction plane. So now okay, construction, this plane I want to turn off, as well as this axis, right? So this we want to make to construction X. Then let us draw the profile. So from here we will draw like this. Similar way, here also we will give the same height, 3 mm. Then let us project this edge, press P. Okay. Then we will make it this vertical here, vertical. Then the angle for this, let us say same 15 degree. And here we will give a fillet also. One. So let us change to 0.8. Okay. Then finish sketch. This we will revolve. The axis is, let us say, we will select the cylindrical axis. Then okay. Then this we can unisolate. Then we can activate the main assembly here. Activate. So what I was saying, that before inserting the second pilot, we should have activated the main assembly and inserted. So okay, anyway, now we will go for combine option. So this is the target body, and tool body we will select all the 4 items. Then here cut, keep tools, then out. So we have made this. Now for this punch we are going to add a screw hole, right? So this, or I think shoulder is easy, so we will go for the shoulder. So blanking punch activate here. Then we will isolate. So let us add some step here. So this here create sketch. Just let us create a center rectangle here. So this point, not center rectangle, we will go for 2-point rectangle here. 2-point rectangle. Okay, we'll give some dimension. 2.5. Here also we will give the same dimension. So let us add some height, -2. So let us give some fillet also here. Now we can activate the punch holder. Activate here. I think we will isolate both punch holder and blanking punch. So select this, press Control key, select blanking punch, then isolate. Select punch holder and blanking punch, then isolate. So let us draw a rectangle. So press P. I think we will project this, then OK. Then we can give some dimension quickly. Then we will give a fillet also here. I think we will give fillet 3 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Then we can we'll isolate the punch holder only. Then extrude. So this -3. Okay, uh, now we have to add the slug hole details in the bottom plate. So let us add that. For that, from here, bottom plate and die plate we will isolate. Press Ctrl key, select the die plate, isolate. Then we will activate the bottom plate. Activate. Now let us go here, create sketch. So now let me off the bottom plate. Then rotate this. Press P and select this face. Then OK. Then on the bottom plate. So now let us unisolate both. So I have isolated only this item. So I think we will extrude here. Then we will ex go to finish sketch. Then go to extrude. So this everything we will select distance or okay. Then I think we have to modify this little bit. So again we will select this, create sketch. So let us draw circles first. We'll make this both the circle equal, this both circle equal. Then let us give dimension here. We'll go for 6 mm. That is okay. Then what about this? This will go for 5 also. And here also we will change this. So let us draw a rectangle. So let us project this. Press P. Okay. Let us offset. Offset. Okay, I'm getting the entire thing. Say, okay, 1 mm. Then okay. Okay, something like this. Finish sketch. Then extrude. So the extend all. Then okay. Now we have to insert a shank. So let us isolate this. So otherwise, I think we will insert this screw first. So for that, let us inspect, measure. So double hole we haven't done. 46. So we will insert a screw of 40 mm height. Here it is 29 plus 40. So 40. This was also 40. Okay, we'll insert 45 here. And what about this here? Forty and 45 will be. Okay. So here, so let us delete this. Now go here, fasteners, cylinder head screw with the hexagon socket. So we'll go here. So M6, 6 into 40, add 45, add. So select all, then add a transfer. Then 3D export. So this will give us screw. Save. So let us do one more thing. Let us go here. Attachments. Go here, attachments, and the clamping pivot. Select. So based on our what to say press, we have to select the diameter D1. So I'm selecting this 25. Then add. So let me delete this. Okay, then select this, add a transfer. So this 3D export, Shank, save. So dowel we will create separately. Okay, so come here, then we have to upload. So go here, upload. Select files. Screw, press Control key, Shank, upload. So complete, then close it. Then you can So before the one thing I want to explain you that we have to activate this main assembly. So after that you can drag and drop this into your work, the drawing environment. So once you do that, you can see that this particular okay, just to drag it, then okay, again this drag and drop here. So ensure that this particular the main assembly is activated. Okay. Now we are going to assemble. So here top side we have to assemble the joint. So the 45 mm length screw we have to assemble at the top. Now, so I think we will pattern it. Okay, before that we will assemble the other one also. Joint. What we will do is locate the same position. Okay, what I have done is I have assembled both the screw on the same location so that I can, if I know the distance between screw hole, I can pattern it. So let us inspect, measure. So between these two holes, it is 50. It is 64. 50 and 64. So we can go here, create rectangular pattern. So then select components. Oh, I think always okay, here right click, break link. This we have to do. Here also we have to do break link. Okay, now we will pattern it, rectangular pattern. So this components, this screw. Okay, then direction. '64. That is spacing. And the other direction 50. say minus 50, and quantity 2, then out. So let me check what went wrong. Okay, I think I will delete it. Once again, let us do that rectangular pattern. So let us first give this direction. So here it is 50, and 2, 64, 64, 2. Okay. Similarly here also rectangular pattern, direction, direction 1 is minus 50, direction 2 is minus 64, 2, no. So now let us add the double pin. So why not, we will isolate the stripper plate, activate here, activate, then isolate. So I think here we can give one, okay, we will just create points, point, so one point here, another one more point somewhere here, and let's say press P, project, okay, then make it horizontal, then give the distance 10 mm, this also 10 mm, okay, then finish sketch. Now we will transfer this point onto the top light. Okay. So for that we will activate okay, we will activate here. Okay, so this we will unisolate, stripper plate, unisolate. Now again we will activate the top light. Activate here. Then select this plane, create sketch. So now we can press P project this point here, both the point to select it, then OK, finish sketch. So now we will go on to the stripper plate and turn off that sketch. The last sketch we will turn off. Now we can make a hold command. Select both the points. And this we will take it as 6. Then the extend all, then out. Now on the thrust plate, we will increase the diameter of the hole. So activate the thrust plate. So let us isolate. Let us increase the hole diameter. Say we will give 6.5 equal. Finish sketch. Extrude. Then again we will unisolate and activate here. So we will go here, insert master car component. So screws and dowels. So here we will type dowels, dowel pins. So this type of dowel pin we will select. So we will go for metric. Then our size was 6 mm. 6 mm. Sorry, not length. I have selected here diameter 6. Length we will select something like so 50 mm. 50 mm is okay. 50. Chamfer. Sorry. Once again I will insert master car component. So find here dowel pins. So this pin type, this dowel pin. Metric. Diameter 6 mm. Length, let's say 55 mm. We will go for 55. Okay, stainless steel. Chamfered. So go here, product detail. So here change this to 3D step, save. Okay. Then we will make the joint. So I think the height is more for this. Okay, we will reduce the height. Otherwise, let it be. Okay. So I didn't check the height before. That is why. So we will create one more copy of this. So we select Control C, Control V. Okay. Again, joint. Okay. Let's say again, select this. Control C, Control V. Okay. Once again, we will make joint. For this side it is okay. So we should have selected two different size of dowel. Okay, joint. Okay, so next we'll position our shank also. Joint. Okay, so let us activate this. Create a point. Sketch. Okay, I think we will isolate this. Isolate. Then hold. So dia 16. This hold. Then okay. Then unisolate. M16 into 1.5. So let us isolate once again. Create thread. So M16 into 1.5. Then okay. Then we will also add a chamfer. Then unisolate. Then we will activate. now we will just add two dowel pins for the finger stopper, then we will stop this video. So here we will insert a new component and say this again, dowel pin some, okay, pin, we will give the pin, finger stop. So let us isolate the stripper plate so that it will be very easy for us. Isolate, then at this just project both, project one of the hole, press P, okay, finish sketch. So let us unisolate. I think I will isolate my component only. That's isolate. So we have the hole over here. Extrude. Okay. Okay, I think 1 mm or something like that we can add, increase, edit feature. Okay, we will give the same height as our stripper plate. 16 or 15. Then okay. So we'll add a chamfer. 0.5. So then again unisolate, activate here. Then we can do a build to joint again, assemble as build to joint. So this finger stopper and stripper plate. Then okay. So we can add one more copy of this pin. Select this, Control C, Control V. Distance was 14. Then okay. Then once again we will give assemble as built joint. So this both. Okay. So actually another one of the requirement is here we want to add a extension plate. So can we do that? Okay, I think the time of the video is getting more than 1 hour, so I'm going to stop here. Thanks for watching. Thank you.